Okay, so I based this next drawing on a Tukutuku panel. I'm going to start off with a square. So remember, to get a square, I'm going to hold down the shift key so it stays as a square. And I'm just going to use the copy tool and just copy that down 3 times and then copy it across 2 more times. Now it's not actually clicking in there, so I'm just going to zoom in to make sure it's linking up properly. One's not quite there. There we go. Shift down. And I'm going to repeat the process. In fact, what I could actually do also is just take that, hold Control down, and snap it on like that. And do the same again. And move that across. So if I zoom out, you can see that this piece, I've actually done it longer than I need it, is similar to this piece here. It's a little bit larger. I'm going to just make it a bit smaller. Again, I'm going to hold Shift down to make sure it stays in proportion. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to copy it across the equivalent of 2 squares. And then I'm going to move it up, holding Control down. Right, just going to move it up. Again, equivalent of 2 squares. So it lines up this one here. So those line up, and hopefully these line up like so. I'm going to copy that again by just holding Control down and just move it into place so it lines up, so that this square lines up with that square. Just using the arrow key here, just making sure that those squares line up like so. And the last thing is I'm going to draw a square right over the top, right down to here. That's on top of the drawing. To get to the back, I'm going to go right click, order, send to back, like that. And I'm just going to get rid of those squares on the outside I don't need. Now this is one way of doing this. There are other ways of doing this drawing, and you might find a quicker way or better way of doing it. That's fine. I'm now going to click on the square. I don't need it anymore. I'm just going to go delete. In fact, what I have done is I've missed one square just up in the corner. Delete that. And to make it all black, I'm going to select everything. I'm going to go to the bucket tool and click like that.